Hey guys and girls, so I am just doing a real quick video. It's not at the point that I'd like to do it, but anyways, I'm getting frustrated with putting some door frames in and using these. They're a fir or some kind of, they're not a spruce, they might even be a hem shim, and as you can see, it just doesn't break away the same way that a cedar shim would. It's driving me nuts. You can see that grain structure on there just makes everything super solid, and that's fine if these shims, which came in this pack here, were the exact width that you needed, but anybody that does carpentry work will know that that hardly ever happens. So I'm just getting frustrated here, and I'm going to try to show you what my frustrations are while trying to hold the phone and do all this stuff. Excuse the cat litter boxes, that's embarrassing. So yeah, so like you normally would, and I mean, you gotta really, and you can hear that? That's it going across the grain. That's how hard that grain is. Typically with a, like that one came off, but I mean, that's because it's that thin, right? But it took like 3 or 4 scores just to get that off, right? And now this, oh, like I cannot break that with my hands like I could, but so that one actually broke away fairly nice, but just a right pain in the butt, you know. And these things, I find they don't get very thin. Here's actually a piece of a cedar shim, and like, I mean, these things are about 12 inches long, and you can see how thin that is. It gives you lots more adjustment, whereas these things here, you know, I wish I had one left. I didn't think they'd be a problem, but man, they were just kicking my butt. So yeah, like they go very tall to very narrow in a short length of time, so it doesn't give you a whole lot of adjustment. Up at the top here, these are actually cedar shims. Okay, you can see the 2 stacked there, right? I'll give it 1 cut, 1 score, clean cut, no issue. This one's a little thicker, and it's got a kind of a crappy piece on it. But you can see, like, I did 3 scores, and it's already most of the way through. You could even back score it, but with cedar shims, yeah, that made a liar out of me. With cedar shims, that usually doesn't happen. I think that was because there was a knot or something running through it. But I mean, these are just a pain in the butt. And you get something like this one right here. I've barely gone a quarter of the way into the stupid thing, and I apologize for the way that this is recording, because I'm trying to do everything by hand here. It's making a liar out of me, but I mean, that's what it, I don't know. These are just, they were cheap. They were 99 cents, but I mean, I can't do that with my hand. So much more labor involved. Thankfully, these ones broke away okay, but I mean, it's also because I don't have anything on the backside yet. If you have something there, they're not breaking away that easy. So anyways, that's just my opinion of cedar. So these guys here, cedar shims, versus these. They're a fir, or possibly even like a hem. I'm not sure. It's not a spruce, that's for sure. But anyways, that's my opinion. Save yourself the money. Well, sorry, you're not going to save yourself the money, but you're going to save yourself the time by going with cedar shims. You liked the video, found it informative, thumbs up. Didn't like the video, thumbs down. Think about hitting that subscribe button right there. We're posting stuff. It depends. Could be weekly, could be semi-weekly. If we have this COVID virus pandemic shutdown that they keep threatening, I'll be posting a lot more. So anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.